I read, not like you.
Young Malgosha always dreamed of being a world-class dancer.
Just calm down.
Goodies! If memory serves, I built a cake. Crap! My creeper farm. Wait a minute. What idiot would breed these things? The second floor, they wield powerful dark magic. Boy, and don't be a brute. Time to put on your birthday suit. Go ahead, go.